Hello, my name is David Delane. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Engineering Education at The Ohio State University. I lead the Inclusive Community-Based Learning Lab, which aims to understand the ways in which community-based learning and engineering impact students and participating stakeholders and communities. The Inclusive Community-Based Learning Lab explores and investigates service learning, outreach, and volunteerism to support and develop evidence-based approaches that promote the formation of socially responsible engineering professionals. We seek to do this within and around partnerships that are reciprocal, promote equity, inclusivity, and seek to broaden participation in engineering and STEM. Our research group is comprised of a wonderful group of emerging scholars and activists. Together, we seek to work with individuals and groups who will actively pursue their own growth in ways that support others and seek to positively impact our society. We have several ongoing and established research efforts and collaborations that we feel will positively impact engineering education. I'll briefly tell you about some of these. Our first project is funded by the National Science Foundation, and it explores community-based learning as a platform to develop empathy in undergraduate engineers. Through mixed methods, we're looking at basically how platforms that involved partnership with communities can be used as platforms to develop engineers who have an innate understanding of how they can use empathy in engineering contexts. And another project seeks to explore encounters with cultural difference in service learning and community-based learning. Here, we're seeking to understand the processes and the perceptions that students are having when they're actually confronted and face cultural differences in engineering settings. Rather than assuming that engineers will take away positive growth from these encounters, we're seeking to deconstruct them so that we can be sure that engineers can make positive outcomes out of encounters with cultural difference. Last project that I will highlight involves a collaborative inquiry from within in a reciprocal community academic partnership. In partnership with the Charles Madison Nabrett Memorial Garden, we have begun to explore what a deep, authentic, and reciprocal community academic partnership really looks like. That's just a snapshot of our work. You can find more at www.theicblab.com or Googling the Inclusive Community-Based Learning Lab. We look forward to continuing to advance on these new projects with you, with your support, and perhaps even with you as a member of our lab. We are excited of the fact that you've found our research. We look forward to telling you more. And remember that the Inclusive Community-Based Learning Lab seeks to partner with communities while developing engineers. Thank you.